screen now. 28 points higher for Nifty. For the Sensex, it's again an uptick of nearly 0.25%. So it's a strong start, but the market breadth, I think, is where things are looking up. The market breadth, let me put it this way, it's a ratio of about 1:5, and that's always a very formidable ratio, which means that the broader market is throbbing. The small and the mid caps stocks, in a sense, are really rediscovering a lot of momentum. Not too many newsmakers, but let's start with Zomato. Why? Because Swiggy valuations have been cut. There's a markdown for Swiggy's valuations, but Zomato stock is not seeing an impact because Zomato has already seen a markdown in terms of valuation. So this is not something new. Then let's move our attention to some of the banking stocks, and especially NBFCs actually. Bajaj Finance, Aditya Birla Finance, Indostar. The entire NBFC space now seems to be making a comeback now that interest rates have picked up. So Bajaj Finance, AB Capital, you've got L&T Finance, that Mahindra Finance, that entire space now is throbbing with a lot of action. Look at HDFC Bank and IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank recovered. Will it sustain? HDFC Bank, is that entire MSCI overflow hang, is that behind us? Hopefully for the moment it's settling.
Yeah, it is. Just a couple of other stocks which are going to be in focus. In MGL, definitely, the Q4 EBITDA has come in over 52% on a sequential basis, and the margins as well have managed to beat the street estimates. In fact, it's a big beat. You're seeing MGL gap up right now, 5.25% higher for MGL as we speak. VIP as well has come out with good numbers. The gross margins have managed to expand about almost 460 basis points on a year-on-year basis. And then, of course, there are others like a Birlasoft as well, wherein the dollar revenue has risen about 0.5% sequentially, and the constant currency revenue has been higher, over 3%. Birlasoft, very actively traded stock, must say, 3% higher on Birlasoft as we speak. Kansai Nerolac as well came out with its numbers, a bonus issue, margin expansion of 420 basis points, 8% is the move that you're seeing on Kansai Nerolac. Of course, we've been seeing the crude sensitives as well hold out very well, and this further aids the move on Kansai Nerolac, which has gapped up 8% as we speak right now. Pidilite came out with numbers though. Those numbers are not looking all that great. The consumer durable business volumes have come in higher by 7%, but they've managed to miss the street estimates. The Q4 results are clearly below what the market was anticipating and penciling in. Pidilite down 1% as we speak right now. Aarti Industries, Kalpataru Power, all have been an earnings miss. Let's also check in on what Marico is up to and whether it's seeing a further move, whether you're still seeing a move on a Manappuram, or for that matter on an IndusInd Bank as well. Those stocks will just come up here on the screens. Marico sees some bit of buoyancy more, Manappuram rebounds further, and IndusInd holds out by 0.8%. What are the HDFC twins doing? Yesterday, of course, they saw a marked recovery, and today it's a much more tempered move, flattish at that, marginally higher. For the index as well, it's fairly tempered, but the headline number is not going to give you any reason to complain. We're marginally higher, but Kunal, on the